All right, friends out there. Hey, today we're going to talk about making your car last forever. This is my 1996 Toyota Camry. It's almost half my age. I'm a 60-year-old plus man, but I developed a little bit of engine noise. 1996 Toyota Camry, so what could it be? It's more of a whine, and you can really only hear it when you're inside of the car as you rev it up. Now, when you get going down the road, 10, 15 miles an hour, you do not hear it. Here's what I think it is. And let's see here. I checked the alternator just with different ways, to kind of diagnose that. I don't think it is. It appears to be coming in more from the timing belt area here. This car does not have a chain. It's got a timing belt. So with that being said, I'm going to take it over to the mechanic's shop here in just a few minutes and have her diagnose it and kind of find out what's going on. Now, this car here has got approximately 400,000 miles on it. And you ask, how can you possibly get that many miles out of a car? Actually, it's a Toyota Camry. Toyotas are just known to last forever. So I'll tell you, I've just done basic maintenance on it. And we're going to cross this in more detail as I find out what's going on. There's a lot of these cars still on the road out there. And if I can get this figured out, I want to pass on to you the best way to address this problem in the most affordable way possible. Now, getting a timing belt chain on any car is sort of a pricey endeavor, so let's follow up after this. I'm going to post this morning, and this afternoon I'll post you the news on what's going on and what we may be in for. Thank you again. This is Scott.